Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Jira and wondered, how can I actually see everything that's happened on a ticket? From who changed what to when and why? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to view ticket history in Jira. Perfect whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher. Let's dive right in. First, open Jira and head to the project where your ticket is located. On the top navigation bar, click on the Issues tab. This will show you a list of all issues and tickets within that project. You can scroll through the list or use filters to quickly find the specific ticket you're looking for, like by assignee, issue type, or status. Once you've found your ticket, click to open it. Now, scroll down to the Activity section. This is where all the action happens. Inside this panel, you'll see different tabs such as Comments, Work Log, and History. Go ahead and click on the History tab. Here's where Jira reveals the full story of your ticket. You'll see a chronological list of every change made, including updates to fields, transitions between statuses, changes in assignee, added comments, and work logs. Each entry clearly shows who made the change, what was changed, and the exact date and time it happened. This feature gives you a complete audit trail, so you can easily track progress, maintain accountability, and ensure smooth communication within your team. It's especially handy when you're managing multiple tickets or need to review the timeline before a project review or sprint retrospective. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view and understand the full history of any Jira ticket. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Jira topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.